Hi, welcome. I'm here to demonstrate the new Rapidair tire inflator. But first, we're going to show you some traditional methods of how to fill a car tire. First, use a gauge to find out how much pressure is in the tire. It says 30 psi. According to the manufacturer, the tire should be at 40. So that means we got to put some air in it. So, put your air chuck in, fill the tire, recheck it. Oh, a little short, gotta add some more. Count, count, count. Check it again. Oh, now we overshot. Now we gotta let some out. As you can see, this method takes a long time. Now, Rapidair has come up with a fast and easy way to fill your car tires. It's called the Rapidair Auto Inflator. Simply turn the unit on, set the desired pressure of your tire, always consult the manufacturer. In this case it's 40 psi, so we're going to set the unit to 40 psi. We're going to plug in our air chuck. The unit's going to tell us how much pressure is in the tire. In this case it's 30.9 psi. We're very low. Hit start and the tire automatically fills. And it'll fill up to the preset pressure. In this case, I set it to 40. Unit beeps when it's done. Simply remove the air chuck and go to the next tire. The display has backlighting and always reads in PSI. It also has a battery life indicator. Now it is a lithium battery inside that is rechargeable. It has a simple port on the side, plug in the charger, plug it into the wall. Real simple. Also has a hang hole. You can hang it on your bench, on a hook, near your workstation. Very convenient. Any pressure can be set up to 175 psi. There's also presets. So if you work with low car tires, say 30 psi, or maybe heavy duty truck tires at 100 psi, you could do a preset. So simply hit the preset button, set to your desired pressure, hit set. Now your preset is set. Maybe you want to set a truck tire at 100. We'll take this one all the way up to 100, so it's automatically close when you want to start your tire. Then you don't have to push the button each time to get to something close. We'll do set. Okay, so now P1 is set at 50, P2 is set at 100. Those will be real easy to dial in for you depending on what kind of tires you're doing.